Have you ever wondered if there's a simpler way to manage your finances? A tool that doesn't require a degree in economics to understand? Well, today, we're diving into Sofi, a financial platform that promises to streamline your money life. But is it as user-friendly as they claim? Let's find out. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what Sofi is all about. It's essentially a one-stop shop for your financial needs, offering everything from checking and savings accounts to investing and personal loans. But the real question is, does it deliver on its promise of simplicity? Let's start with the basics. The Sofi app and website have a clean, intuitive design. It's not overwhelming with too many features, but it also doesn't feel too bare bones. The dashboard gives you a quick overview of your finances, highlighting key metrics like your net worth and spending habits. Creating a Sofi account is a straightforward process. You'll need to provide some basic information, including your name, address, and social security number. Once you're verified, you can start exploring the different features. Sofi's banking products are pretty standard. You can open a checking and savings account, both of which come with competitive interest rates. The mobile app makes it easy to transfer money, pay bills, and check your account balance. One of Sofi's most popular features is its investment platform. They offer a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. For beginners, Sofi provides helpful tools and resources to get you started. Sofi also offers personal loans and credit cards. The application process is relatively simple, and you can get approved for a loan or credit card in a matter of minutes. When it comes to customer support, Sofi generally gets good reviews. They offer live chat and phone support, and their agents are typically knowledgeable and helpful. So, is Sofi easy to use? For the most part, yes. The interface is intuitive, and the features are well organized. Even if you're not a financial expert, you should be able to navigate Sofi without too much trouble. That being said, Sofi isn't perfect. Some users have complained about slow load times and occasional glitches. Additionally, while Sofi offers a wide range of financial products, they may not be the best option for everyone. It's important to compare rates and fees before making a decision. Overall, Sofi is a solid choice for those looking for a simple and convenient way to manage their finances. The platform is easy to use, and it offers a variety of products and services. However, it's not without its drawbacks. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Sofi or other financial platforms, feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe for more helpful financial tips and reviews. Until next time.